Hi guys! In this video, mag-unbox tayo ng pinadala sa atin ng isang subscriber. Yes! Magbibigay tayo ng quick review, tips and hidden features at the end. Kaya click like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned because you're watching. Disclaimer lang hindi naman tayo expert sa mga tech na ganito So, please bear with me. And then, I'm gonna tackle this. Tayo magre-review nitong Poco F6 Pro. So, ang dimension niya is size 6.67 inches. Ang weight niya is 209 grams, medyo mabigat. Dual SIM. Colors niya ay may black and white. Ito sa atin white. Then available siya sa internal storage ng 256 gig, 512 gig, and 1 terabyte. Okay, yung sa atin is 512.
Oh my God!
Display niya is AMOLED 4000 nits, good for outdoors, and HDR display. Kasi option kasi dito na montasan yung brightness. Non-removable battery na 5000 mAh, charging orange, high current or sleep and charge. OS niya ay Android 14 up to 3 major Android upgrades. Ang cam niya ay sa primary ay 50MP wide, 8MP ultra wide, tsaka 2MP macro. Video naman is 8K at 24fps, 4K, 24, 30, and 60 fps. 4K at 24, 30, tsaka 60 fps. Selfie cam ay may 16MP wide HDR, 1080p at 30 and 60 fps. Na-release siya nung last May 2024. Medyo late na tayo kasi ayun nga, pinadala lang sa atin to ng ating subscriber. Advertise siya as a gaming phone. So okay din siya sa mga iba-ibang games like Genshin, CODM, PUBG, Hawk, or many more. yun na nga, sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating videos. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye guys!